Hello everyone, and welcome back to Useful How-To Videos. My name is Mike Sands, your guide to solving tech-related issues. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Today we're diving into the world of Logic Pro X, which is a fantastic DAW that allows you to create and produce music. Hey guys, this video today is just simply going to show you how to activate or how to turn on a loop. So what do I mean by loop? If in your producing you would like a certain section or a certain selection or certain piece of the recording ever to loop, so that you may want to make a change and you will want to hear how the changes sound on the fly. There's a way that you can do that in Logic Pro. It's actually called cycle, activating the cycle. So if you look here on the screen, there are two ways that you can actually do that. First way is if you right click in this dash or on this panel right here. If you right click and you go to customize control bar and display, you want to go to, basically this is asking you, okay, what are all the options you would like to be displayed on this panel right here. If you can see my mouse, it's on the it's pretty much on the top left hand side. So it's asking you what options would you like to be displayed in this area here, and you can select the option of cycle. So if you press the cycle, you'd immediately notice that this button pops up here. I'm going to toggle it on, off, so you can see exactly what I mean. So I toggle it off and you'll see that the cycle button is actually gone from this dashboard here. Toggle it on and it's right back. Okay, so I'm gonna hit OK, and so basically we're gonna tap this cycle here and you should immediately see a region highlighted or turn yellow. This region is going to be the region where the cycling is gonna take place. So if I were to just press my spacebar to start the recording, you should hear it. The system overload, but hear some piece of music, but actually let me move it. Okay, you hear it, right? So you should hear it repeat. Okay, so if I stop it and if I move it to a new location, you'll hear it's cycled wherever I drag it. Let me move it to a new location so you'll see what I mean. Alright, and repeat. Sometimes it's get and repeat. Okay, so you get the point. This yellow region right here is where the cycle is activated. So you can extend it, or you can always change the area. So let's just say you want to move it or extend it further, you can do that. And it's going to repeat back again, repeat. Okay, if you move it here and extend it, same thing should happen. Okay, so that's one way of activating it, activating the cycle, or I call it a loop. I guess we can call it a cycle loop. Okay, so one way is toggling on and off this button right here. The other way is if you would a shortcut is if you were to tap C on your keyboard, it should activate it as well. So tapping C on my keyboard, turn it off, on, off, on. Okay, so hopefully guys, hopefully that helps. And like I say, you would want to use this whenever there's a area in your recording where you would just want to limit the playback, whether it's you just want to fix a certain area of the song, or if you're recording a certain track and you want to keep overdubbing what you're playing. This is a great way of doing that by turning on the cycle loop that allows you to do that. Hopefully it helps, guys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover in a future video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.